Here we are, the last day at Happy Holiday RV Resort in Rapid City, and we're getting one heck of a lightning and thunder show here. Well, lightning's just coming, one right after another. Yeah, and we're getting some hail. These picnic covers have aluminum roofs on them, or tin. Man, when that hail hits it, it sure makes a heck of a bang. Oh my goodness. Man, they're gonna jump my truck. Holy shnikey. Oh man. We are done in Rapid City, leaving the Happy Holiday RV Resort, heading for Sidney, Nebraska. And that's going to take us about 3.5–4 hours to get there. All right, see you next time. Nebraska. We made a quick stop here in Walmart parking lot to get the girls out, let them do their thing. I was doing my walk around to check everything on the trailer. Everything looks good, except, lo and behold, we got a screw. And there is a tire place just right up the street here. We're gonna have to stop and have them take care of that. We have stopped here at the Bridgestone Tire Center, and he said it's going to be about 30 to 40 minutes before they can get to my tire. Oh boy. Okay, we pulled into the tire store, had to back in, and he came out, pulled the screw, and it was just a little itty-bitty thing like that. So it didn't go through the tire. Everything seems to be okay. He marked where it was at. He threw a bunch of soapy water on there. No leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and continue on down the road. Phew! Well, here we are. We are in Nebraska, and talk about just little rolling hills and a whole lot of open fields. You see corn and wheat. Just hot day. It's about 91 degrees outside. Go ahead. Made it to Cabela's camping ground here in Sidney, Nebraska. Here we are. And they have full hookup sites, or they have electric only, and we chose an electric only because we're just here for one night and that's all we need. We dumped our tanks at the last RV park, so we're all set up. It's a beautiful day. It's about 91. One thing that we like to do once in a while is stop at old cemeteries and look at their headstones. And here in Sidney, Nebraska, we have the old cemetery here. It was established in 1868 for a burial place for the soldiers that were killed at the fort, but then it became a place for outlaws. They don't let you in here. This is it. This is the old original cemetery for Sidney. Not much here. Darn, I was kind of hoping we could go in and read some headstones, but they've got it all fenced off. We can't get in. Dang it. Okay, So, at the Sydney cemetery here, it's they call it the original site of Boot Hill from 1868 to 1894. There's a sign for it here. Anyway, we're going to go drive into Sydney and see what the town's all about. Went to the original Boot Hill Cemetery in Sydney, and it was kind of a bust. They had it fenced off. Couldn't go in there and read any headstones, doggone it. So we're going to come down here into historic downtown Sydney and check it out. Sydney eventually became the wildest Old West town on the rugged, untamed frontier with many colorful characters. Frontier newspaper editors and publishers called this lawless burg Sinful Sydney, or the wickedest town in the West, or the toughest town on the tracks and the hardest hole, and even the magic city on the plains. Thousands of gold seekers, cowboys, soldiers, desperados, and freighters frequented the town from 1876 to 1881, when Sydney became the boss city as the closest shipping point on the Union Pacific Railroad to the gold discovered in the Black Hills and Deadwood. As many as 80 saloons and numerous gaming halls, brothels, and even the world's first 24-hour theater dotted Sydney's front street along the tracks. In the 1876 to 1881 colorful time frame, over 1,000 criminal cases and 56 murders or attempted murders occurred at Sydney. These were just the ones prosecuted. Several others happened mysteriously and anonymously. We spent the night here at Cabela's campground here in Sydney, Nebraska. I'm going to go out here and walk around and show you the park. It's a nice park. The facilities are closed right now due to COVID, but we'll go out and take a look. And the wind is blowing like crazy this morning, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. Okay, let's go take a look around the park here. See what it looks like. The sun's just coming up here. Cabela's there in Sydney, Nebraska. Now we're down here in Colorado on I-76, and just a whole lot of nothing out here.